Hi! In front of me is ZTE Blade A32, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. Begin by opening Recorder app and clicking on this microphone icon at the top right corner. Now click on the best format for you to apply it and tap on this blue button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. If you wish to add a bookmark, click on this flag on the left. And to add a photo one, click on camera icon. Now you can take a picture. To discard it, select X on the right. To redo it, you need to click on this arrow on the left. And finally, to add it on the check mark in the middle. If you wish to end your recording, tap on Done at the bottom right corner. Then you can name your recording right away. And click on Save in the pop-up. To get rid of it, over here you can choose Delete. Then confirm your choice in this pop-up. As you can see, my recording is over here. To access list of recordings from main voice recorder screen, click on those three lines at the top right corner next to the microphone. To play one of your recordings, click on it, and to delete it, hold it. Now select the bin icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!